Hey again, and welcome to the next lesson. Now that you've seen what this course is all about, let's talk about something just as important: how to actually learn it effectively. You see, these AI tools can genuinely transform the way you work, but only if you use them. This isn't the kind of course you just watch passively. It's one you interact with. Think of it like a gym membership. Just signing up won't make you fit, but show up, do the reps, and you'll start to see the change. So in this lesson, I'll walk you through a few practical strategies that'll help you absorb new ideas, act on them quickly, and start seeing results, even if you can only spare 15 minutes a day. Let's dive in. First, apply as you go. This course is built for active learning. Every module includes quick assignments, ready-to-use templates, and workflows that give you fast wins. Many of them take under 10 minutes to try. Don't wait until the end of the course to try things out. When you see a ChatGPT prompt or a Zapier example, test it right there and then. Keep your browser open, follow along, and see it in action. Second, choose your learning pace. There's no one right way to go through this. You can take the sprint approach, watch the entire course in a couple of days, like a weekend crash course, then revisit sections later. Or the steady approach, take one lesson a day, complete each task before moving forward, and absorb as you go. Either way works, just pick what fits your life and energy. And remember, even 15 focused minutes a day can go a long way. Third, use templates and tools like a pro. Throughout this course, I'll be sharing a treasure trove of resources, from pre-written AI prompts to Notion templates and full workflow blueprints. Store them all in one central folder, maybe a Google Drive or Notion workspace, and think of it as your AI productivity toolkit. The more you build it, the faster and smoother your week becomes. Fourth, create a distraction-free learning zone. This part is often overlooked, but it really matters. Try to set aside dedicated time for this course. Use headphones, go full screen, turn off notifications, and keep a notepad or doc open for any ideas that pop up. Block out 15 to 30 minutes on your calendar and treat that time like a meeting with your future self. The more focused you are now, the more time you'll save later. And here's a quick reflection for you. What's one learning habit that's worked well for you in the past? Maybe it's taking notes, teaching others, using flashcards, or applying things immediately. Now think about how you can bring that same habit into this course. Reinforcing your learning with something that already works for you is a great way to stay on track. So let's recap what we covered today. Apply lessons as you learn them, don't wait. Choose a pace that works, whether that's sprinting or going steady. Use and save the templates, they're your personal shortcut hub. And give yourself a distraction-free zone to focus and grow. All right, before you move to the next lesson, here's your quick action plan. Block time on your calendar just for this course and create a folder titled AI Productivity Toolkit. This will be your personal command center for templates, prompts, and workflows. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next lesson, where we'll start setting up your productivity stack and exploring the tools that'll change the way you work.